What's up everyone, welcome to Profit Data. So today exactly I'm going to talk about this creating a standalone application such as converting from .py to .exe. Okay, so I'm gonna see this stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna code some stuff, and then exactly I'm gonna convert this into .exe. Okay, so before proceeding to this part, okay, so suppose if you want to want to do certain such as an application, or you want to for trading purpose, or you want to get this data, okay, and you try by yourself. Okay, so if you can sign up for Allies Blue. Okay, Allies Blue offers free API where you can fetch the data as well as can trade with the help of their API, especially in Python. Okay, and you can create application for yourself. Okay, so just link in the description is given, just go for it, and you will land this page. Okay, just go for the sign up process and open an account and get an API. Okay, so videos are available, you can visit my channel, and you can follow up the process and can code in Python. Okay, and after coding, if you want to create an application, a standalone application for Windows or any kind of, you can follow this video. Okay, so as of right now I'm creating for Windows, and if any other process as such for your laptop or desktop or any kind of these things, you can try this this program. Okay, this installation and how you can do this process I'm gonna show you. Okay, so exactly I'm gonna do some some demo, I will try to create some application where I can store some value, for some symbols will be there, so I can store some value. Okay, in say suppose I want to create a live Excel, okay, where exactly the prices will be there. So for that purpose, how I can go, so suppose I've been already talked about Excel Wings. Okay, and getting the data from MySQL and then getting into this Excel file. Okay, so I'm not going to do all the stuff, I'm just going to show you how you can do from this demo. Okay, so you can follow these videos, and if you have any doubt regarding this Excel Wings working, you can follow other videos in my channel. Okay, so let's go for this thing. So we will first of all import Excel Wings as xw. Okay, so this is where I'm gonna call my Excel, so a pop-up will be there, and then I'm gonna take that Excel and input some value over there. Okay, so for that purpose we can I've been already created a Python file for Excel sheet, Microsoft Excel. You can take it in a Windows. Okay, name them any such as Excel underscore price. Okay, you can name them anything, and you can, so I should not deal with other things, so I think we are good to go. So it is definitely XLX, so I need to check whether it is working or not. Okay, so yeah, we are good to go. So it is Excel SX. Okay, so it is good to go. So it is Excel file, and we're gonna call from that name. Okay, and we definitely need a path, so I'm gonna take that path from this. Okay, and we will call this in WB. Okay, workbook, and we will say xw dot book. Okay, so I've been done a tutorial regarding this Excel Wings part. Okay, so please go through in my channel and do watch. Okay, you can can do it in this way as well. So you just call the path file. Okay, and so suppose if you are getting with this certain kind of a file, everything should be accurate. Okay, you should not miss anything, and we will put the name here, same name, price dot. So that's the reason I was looking for the name. Okay, it should be in this format. Okay, you can take it whichever Excel Wings format you need, and then I need to prepare a sheet. So I'm gonna say my sheet as a sheet 1. Okay, and I will say wb dot sheets of sheet 1. So whatever my sheet name is there, I'm gonna name that one. So I think I got the sheet. Now I'm gonna first of all in that A1 value I'm gonna give it a trading symbol. Okay, and then in next by side I will give a value. So what I'm gonna do is like I will first of all I will say as in sheet 1 dot range, and range will be A1 first cell value. Okay, so I will say dot value and it will be in a string, so I will say bank nifty. Okay, so it will be like that. So I should go for these things, and in by right side I need a value, I will say as a price, so I'm gonna put a price over there, so it will be B1. And what I'm going to do is like I will put that price, okay, which will be like say 33,600, okay, nearby value. Okay, so let's run this stuff and check if we are good to go or not. So as you can see, I took a pop-up and exactly I've been created Excel file where exactly I'm storing my price. Okay, so right now I've been created a Excel price sheet, and you know, say, so suppose I don't want my code whichever I have been done to show anybody, or say suppose I don't want anybody to access my code, and just click on exe applications and run this stuff and check only the Excel price. I need to, like, you know, whatever the py file will be there, I need to convert it, you know, exe file. Okay, so let's go for these things. So I think here we are good to go, and we definitely won't save it here. So let's one more the pop-up will appear and we will get that things. So we'll close each and everything, and so one installation is required, which we will say as in pip install PyInstaller. Okay, so I have been already installed, so you have to say this way. Okay, and after this installation it is very much easy to follow. Okay, so if you're done the installation, just say pip install PyInstaller and it will gonna install for you. After installation you just have to get the path wherever exactly path is there. So I think if you copy that path, okay, so wherever path is there, just copy it and just you know, get in that path and just simply say PyInstaller, and whatever your file is there, you just have to name that file. Okay, so I think if you given the path and everything is good to go, and your name and format, if everything is good, it will gonna create an exe file for you. It will take a time. Okay, so let's see this and wait for these things and see how we gonna create a py file to exe file. Okay, okay guys, so as you can see, I think I have been done. Okay, so my Python file is completely converted into an exe file, okay, and like an application file where like if I just double click, it will definitely gonna run for me. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how this works. Okay, so suppose my Excel price, as you can see, there is no such as trading symbol and price is not there because we didn't save anything. So what I'm gonna do is like say distribute. I can distribute these things, so it will be in this folders. Okay, so dist folder will be there, so I will go just in that folder and say py2exe, and I will look for .exe file. Okay, so as you can see, py2exe application file. Okay, so this is my application. So this, if you see this icon, this is your application file. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, if I just double click, it will definitely gonna run for me. Okay, it will give me bank nifty as well as price, and it will come out from me. Okay, so how you gonna execute, just check. Okay, so as you can see, I'm in a different folder, and still the pop-ups get open, and as you can see, the price were not there, but the bank nifty as well as the price, it appears. Okay, so now we got an exe file. Okay, so instead of like, so suppose if I get with if I get with this this our py2exe, so suppose if I delete this also, our this will work. Okay, so suppose if I'm not saving the file. Okay, in this case, one more thing I'll show you. So suppose what happens in this case, suppose if I open this stuff. Okay, so, and so suppose it is telling me to reopen or something like that. Okay, so it is like that. Okay, so suppose if I am like if I close this files, it will definitely gonna save. So what I'm gonna do is just, I won't save it right now. Okay, I will save it later after. So what I'm gonna do, I will do it once again for you. So I've been already deleted my Python file. Okay, so right now I have been only py2exe applications. So if I just click on that one, it will pop up for me and act in behalf of Python, whatever the programming I have been done. Okay, so as you can see, bank nifty is like, it is there. Okay, so if I say like save it this files, it will be there for me, and what I'm gonna do is like I will go there and check once again, okay, whether the bank nifty price is there or not. Okay, so as you can see, it is available, so everything working perfect. Okay, so I must say, do try this stuff, and let me know your experience on this stuff. If you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me via WhatsApp. Thank you.